Hi everybody! Today we're going to make this rainbow glass styrofoam and play some Gabby's Dollhouse songs. Hey Gabby, bring us to the dollhouse. Let's get started. Hi everybody! Hi everybody! So what I am making is a glass styrofoam. So what you will need is 6 glasses, water, and some food coloring. Water. Okay, let's get started. Water. So first, we're going to put the water from a little bit all the way to a lot. All the way top. Listen to this, guys. Isn't it cool, right? Now we're going to put the food coloring. And here's the rainbow styrofoam. Do you like it? Now let's make some music. Can you guess what song I'm playing? It's Gabby's Dollhouse. Sing it with me. Hey Gabby, bring us to the dollhouse. Now guess my second song. Hamster kitties, woo! Hey Gabby! Can you guess what song this is? Ooh. Ooh. Now just have fun and make up your own song. Try? Here you go. You bump it, okay? To make a song. Job. Hey guys, your turn. Now one is turn. Wanna do song? I hope you enjoy my video. See you next time.